is a first generation Camaro. Actually, the first year they were produced, 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Of course, the 67s, you can always tell apart by the 68 and 9s, but looking at them, that wing window right there in front of the side glass window. 67, only year that would have had that wing window. Now, this particular car, numbers matching, original V8 underneath the hood. 350 cubic inches, that is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It's kind of got that early resto mod look, if you will. I'll show you kind of some custom things on this car. Up front, got the blacked out grille, black front bumper. You can see the SS badging, not representing it as an SS, but as a numbers matching 350 engine underneath the hood, and there is pictures of that, and I'll tell you where to see those in a little bit. Cowl induction hood, got kind of a custom wing on the back. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures, over 100 still pictures of this car online, underside, interior, engine bay, every angle, give us a call. First of all, it's one way to do it, 507-386-1726, or check out those still pictures first, and those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. It's riding on BF Goodrich radial TAs, chrome wheels, polished center caps on those chrome wheels. Nice looking setup. And there are a few imperfections on this. I'll kind of point out as I go. Some of the ones I've noticed up here on the nose, kind of the hood of the, or nose of the hood, I should say, a little bit touched up right there. FYI, these are painted and cleared over as far as those stripes. Don't get me wrong, still a nice finish, still a good looking car. Tell it's been driven a little bit, and sure, you can have a few imperfections here and there. And it is a little older build. Like I said, it's kind of got that early resto mod look going for it. Custom seats been installed in this. And as you can see, stereo speakers in the headrest. Those do work. I'm going to show you this kind of neat setup as far as with the stereo I got it set up. So you're able to check that out when you get around the other side, open up the door. Check out the interior. Here's another little spot I wanted to point out, and I pointed out in the pictures too, where you can kind of see it. There's this little previous work kind of done up by the roof line. Again, if you can kind of get that to show up. It's tough because the paint's got a nice luster to it. Nice reflection coming off of it. Shows well. There's just maybe some spots with a little bit of age to them. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, like this wing has been formed into this car, body-wise. It's not an add-on, not a screw-on, bolt-on, anything like that, and they're kind of going after the second-gen wing look, which is, like I said, rather interesting. It's that little different resto mod look. You got the blacked-out rear bumper. Again, SS350 badging on the rear of it. Blacked out taillight surrounds. And again, you can check out all the still pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Car has a nice stance to it, a little wider tire in the rear, in the front. Again, there's the steel, I should say chromed wheels, polished caps, the red pinstriping, and red Chevy logo on them. Take a look up and down the driver's side. The car's not really full of a lot of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yeah, you're gonna find, here's a little one that's been touched up. You'll find some real small, kind of spots like that. But again, you can see the reflection coming off the car. So it still shows well. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. So cloth, silver and gray seating area, black carpets. Nice combination. Door panel. Look at the headliner. That's intact, not sagging, anything like that. It's been redone, done nicely. A little aftermarket sun-tuned tack on the column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. You hear it run, good sounding car. See how easily it starts? Remember, numbers matching. 350. All right, tack works. Now here's that radio setup down here where it actually folds down underneath this panel, so it'll be tucked away and hidden. One of the previous owners Needed his radio secure, so he did a little setup like that to it. And again, speakers come through the headrest. You can hear them easily enough. You have an aftermarket gauge cluster just down below the stock radio. Wipers do work. Take a look at the dash and we'll get out behind this, check out the sound, and we'll take a look at that engine bay. Everything looking good up in the dash, interior, custom red dash. Door closes, fits very nicely. There you go, listen to that. Nice sounding 352, a little rumble coming out of it. Maybe a slight cam. Good sounding car. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out this engine bay. See how that V8 looks underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So, functioning cowl induction hood. The open flow air cleaner. And as you can see, the valve cover and the air cleaner cover with that red tint to it. Match the color of the car. Headers. Nice looking engine bay. Power steering. Nice and tidy underneath there. Smooth runner too. Wow. Looks good. Sounds good. First gen, first year of the Chevrolet Camaro, 1967. Original engine still in it. That's paired up with that turbo 350 automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.